Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today we're going to do a review of the Vivo X60 Pro Plus, which released on 21st January 2021. So let's get on with the review.
So guys, as we go for the Vivo X60 Pro, as Tech World has told, we get to know that the Vivo X60 Pro is released on 21st January 2021, which is this year, and basically we had done the video today. So for the general specification, the brand is a Vivo and its model is an X60 Pro Plus, and it's released on 21st January 2021, as you guys know. And it's launched in India, and its form factor is a touchscreen. Its dimension is 158.59 into 73.35 into 9.10. Weight is 191 grams. Battery capacity 4200 mAh with a fast charging, which is proprietary, and colors which are Emperor Blue. Now, as we go for the display, we get to know that the screen size of it is as a 6.56 inches and a touch screen. Resolution is a 1080 into 2376 pixels, and an aspect of a 19 is to 8 is to 9 aspect ratio, and the pixels is 399 ppi or pixels per inch.
When we go to the hardware, it processors octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 and 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. And also, when we go to the camera, it has rear cameras and front camera. Rear camera, it has rear autofocus, rear flash, and for the front camera, it has no pop-up camera. And when we go to the quality of the camera, for the rear camera, it is 50 megapixel, 48 megapixel, 3 megapixel, then the 2 megapixel, 32 megapixel, 8 megapixel. Okay, so it has 4 cameras, quad camera setup, and 32 megapixel front camera also. The software, it is Android 11 as we are in 2021, and the skin operating system skin is Funtouch OS 11.1.
So guys, now as we go for the next specifications about it, is that we get to know that we get to know more about the connectivity. So it's having Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, which is V5.20, NFC, USB, OTG, USB Type C, and a number of SIMs are too. The SIM one is a nano SIM GSM CDMA, or there is 3G, 4G, or LTE, and supports 4G in India, band 40, and the SIM one also does support 4G in India, which is band 40. Now let's go to the sensors. So guys, as we go for sensors, we get to know that it's having a face unlock, in display fingerprint sensor, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor, and gyroscope. Now guys, if you enjoy the video, like and subscribe and turn on the notification button, share, comment, and turn on the notification button. So if you guys turn on the notification button to this channel, which is aka Tech World, because you guys can see down, if you guys see down at the bottom, you guys can see a subscribe, and then there's a notification button pressed on all. So if you guys like the video, press the notification button, like, subscribe, comment, and share, and press the notification button so you guys get notified if it's a new video. And we will see you in the next video. Whoop and whap and bye bye. And when you go to YouTube, you can see that subscribe, so you have to press like that so that you guys will get more notified if it's a new video. So subscribe to our channel, press the notification button, then like, comment, share, and many other things. We'll see you in the next video. Whoop and whap and bye bye.